Ever wondered how your money could work harder for you? Listen up, because we're about to dive into the world of high-yield savings accounts. These accounts can offer significantly higher interest rates than your average savings account. Let's kick off our countdown of the best high-yielding savings accounts available today. First up is the Account 1. This isn't just any savings account, it's a high-yielding beast. Now when you hear high yield, you might be thinking, yeah right, how high can it really be? Well, let me tell you, Account 1 isn't playing around. With an interest rate that often outpaces the national average, it's like having your own personal gold mine. But instead of mining for gold, you're mining for interest payments. Now let's talk benefits. With Account 1, you're not just getting a great interest rate, you're also getting a host of other perks. For instance, there are no monthly maintenance fees. That's right, zero, zilch, nada. Your money will be working for you without any pesky fees nibbling away at your earnings. Another great benefit is the lack of a minimum balance requirement. Whether you're starting with $2 or $2,000, Account 1 welcomes you with open arms. This makes it a fantastic option for both seasoned savers and those just beginning their savings journey. But as with anything, there are potential drawbacks to consider. One such drawback is that Account 1 is an online-only account. This means there's no physical branch to walk into if you're someone who prefers face-to-face banking. However, with a dedicated customer support team available via phone or online chat, help is always at your fingertips. Also, while the interest rate is impressive, it's variable. This means it could go up, but it could also go down. Just something to keep in mind. So there you have it, folks. Account 1 in all its glory. High interest rate, no monthly fees, and no minimum balance requirement. It's like the triple threat of savings accounts. If you're looking for a solid, reliable option, Account 1 might be the perfect fit for you. Moving on to Account 2. This one's got some unique features that make it a standout. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Account 2, a high-yield savings account that's all about giving you more bang for your buck. One of the most attractive aspects of Account 2 is its competitive interest rate. Unlike your regular savings account that offers a measly 0.01%, Account 2 boasts a whopping 2% annual yield. That's 20 times the national average. But the high yield is just the tip of the iceberg. Account 2 also offers a host of benefits that sweeten the deal. For starters, there are no monthly maintenance fees, which means every dollar you deposit stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. Additionally, Account 2 offers a seamless online banking experience. Need to check your balance at 3 in the morning? No problem. Want to deposit a check while lounging on the beach? Easy peasy. The convenience factor here is simply unmatched. However, as with any financial product, there are potential drawbacks to consider. One potential downside of Account 2 is its minimum balance requirement. To enjoy the high yield, you'll need to maintain a balance of at least $1,000. While this might not be a deal breaker for everyone, it's something to consider if you're just starting out on your savings journey. Another potential drawback is the lack of physical branches. If you're someone who prefers face-to-face interaction with your banker, or if you enjoy the comfort of walking into a brick-and-mortar bank, Account 2 might not be your cup of tea. But remember, in today's digital age, online banking is becoming the norm rather than the exception. So if you're someone who values convenience and flexibility, Account 2 could be your ideal match. With its competitive interest rate and user-friendly online platform, it's a great option for those looking to maximize their savings. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons, and choose the account that best fits your financial goals and lifestyle. Stay tuned for our next account review, and remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Happy saving. Next we have Account 3. This one takes the cake when it comes to high interest rates. Now, let's delve into the intricate details of Account 3. The primary selling point of Account 3 is its extremely high interest rate. We're talking about an interest rate that makes your money work for you while you sleep, eat, or binge watch your favorite shows. Yes, it's that good. Imagine a scenario where your savings are not just sitting idle, but are actively earning for you round the clock. That's the power of Account 3. But as with all good things, there's a catch. To enjoy these stellar interest rates, you'll need to maintain a minimum balance. It's a bit like going to a fancy restaurant. You can't just order a side dish, you need to go for the full course to truly enjoy the experience. So, if you're someone who can maintain a substantial amount in your savings account, Account 3 is like a gourmet meal for your finances. Now let's talk about the benefits. Besides the high interest rates, Account 3 offers a plethora of additional perks. Think along the lines of zero monthly fees, free ATM access nationwide, and even cashback rewards on certain purchases. It's like a Swiss Army knife of financial tools, offering a solution for almost all your banking needs. However, it's also important to consider potential drawbacks. As mentioned, the minimum balance requirement could be a hurdle for some. Additionally, while Account 3 offers a robust online platform, those seeking in-person services might find their options limited. It's a bit like having a state-of-the-art smartphone but missing the feel of flipping through a physical photo album. In conclusion, Account 3 is a high-yield savings account that packs a punch with its high interest rates and additional benefits. However, it requires a certain level of commitment in terms of maintaining a minimum balance. For those of you who are interest rate chasers, Account 3 might just be your dream come true. Now that we've gone through our top picks, let's do a quick comparison. We kicked off with High Yield Savings Account 1, a gem in the finance world with its impressive interest rate. This account makes your money work for you, turning every penny into a diligent little worker bee. But remember, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The account does come with a minimum balance requirement, which may be a hurdle for some. Next up, we had High Yield Savings Account 2. This account, with its no minimum balance requirement, is like an open house party where everyone's invited. It offers a slightly lower interest rate than Account 1, but hey, you win some, you lose some. It's a fantastic option for those who are just starting out on their savings journey, or those who prefer flexibility over slightly higher returns. And finally, we delved into the details of High Yield Savings Account 3. This account is a bit like the Goldilocks of savings accounts. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. It offers a balanced blend of a decent interest rate and a reasonable minimum balance requirement. It's a perfect middle ground for those who want a bit of everything. Now let's put them side by side. Account 1 is the high roller, offering the highest interest rate but with that pesky minimum balance requirement. Account 2 is the easygoing friend who may not offer the highest returns, but is always there for you, no matter your balance. And Account 3 is the well-balanced option, offering a middle-of-the-road interest rate, but with a manageable minimum balance requirement. Each of these accounts has its merits and drawbacks. The best choice for you, dear listener, depends on your specific financial situation and savings goals. Are you a high roller, an easygoer, or a Goldilocks? Only you can decide. So there you have it, folks, 3 fantastic options for you to consider. Choosing the right high-yield savings account can seem daunting, but armed with the right knowledge, it becomes a whole lot easier. As we've journeyed through the landscape of high-yield savings accounts today, we've seen that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each of these accounts has unique features and benefits that cater to different individual needs. Whether it's the convenience of online banking, the safety of FDIC insurance, or the lure of sky-high interest rates, there's a perfect fit out there for everyone. Remember, the best high-yield savings account for you is the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Are you a digital nomad who prefers banking on the go? Or perhaps you're a traditional saver, comfortable with walking into a brick-and-mortar bank? Maybe you're somewhere in between? Also, let's not forget that these high-yield savings accounts are not static. Interest rates can fluctuate, and new features and benefits are constantly being introduced. So, it's crucial to stay informed and be ready to switch things up if a better opportunity presents itself. In the end, the key takeaway is this: high-yield savings accounts are a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. They can help you grow your wealth, protect your hard-earned money, and provide a cushion for life's unexpected events. Choosing the right one may require a bit of research and some soul-searching about your financial habits and goals. But believe me, the effort is well worth it. You'll be able to sleep a little better at night, knowing your money is working as hard as you are. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on building your wealth. Until next time, keep saving and keep growing.